अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप लोग बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक होंगे। आज की वीडियो हमारी होने वाली है कर्टेसी ऐसे पर। जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं कि कर्टेसी ऐसे 10th क्लास का इंतहाई इम्पोर्टेंट ऐसे है। तो स्टूडेंट, इस वीडियो में मैंने आप लोग के लिए इंतहाई इजी और सिंपल और इजी वर्डिंग पे मैंने आप लोग के लिए ऐसे लिखा है। आप लोग कोई ऐसा कंटेंट कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगा। आप लोग अपनी सनशाइन्स या विक्टर्स में जो भी पढ़ते हैं उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल वर्डिंग यूज़ हुई होती है और कुछ बच्चे से याद नहीं कर पाते। तो मैंने आप सबके लिए बहुत ही सिंपल और आसान लफ्ज़ों में खूबसूरत सा ऐसे लिखा है। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आएगा। चाहे आप टॉपर आएगा, एवरेज लेवल के या जिस भी लेवल के स्टूडेंट हैं, आपको इस तरह का सिंपल और अट्रैक्टिव ऐसे कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगा। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी वीडियो को। Courtesy. Politeness is a flower of humanity. Courtesy means showing respect, manners, kindness, and good behavior to others. It is a small act, but it has a big effect. A courteous person speaks softly, behaves well, and treats others kindly. In every society, good manners are appreciated. Courtesy costs nothing but buys everything. Courtesy is the beauty of a good character. It makes It makes a person well liked and respected. A little courtesy goes a long way. Courtesy is very important in life. It makes us better people. It shows that we care about others and respect their feelings. Politeness helps to keep peace and happiness in families, schools, offices, and society. When we speak politely, people feel happy around us. Politeness is the key to heart. Home is the first place where we learn manners. If we are respectful and polite to our parents, siblings, and elders, our home becomes full of love. Speaking with kindness, listening with patience, and helping each other are the sign of courtesy. Charity begins at home, and so does courtesy. Our holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was also a courteous person. He used to love not only his closest one but also with the whole humanity. He is the biggest example of the courteous person. He was kind not only with humans but also with animals. Courtesy is also very important in schools and workplaces. When students respect their teachers and classmates, the school becomes a happy place to learn. Good manners are the foundation of strong future. Courtesy is not just a social act, but also a religious and moral duty. The best among you are those whose manners are best. When people are rude, it creates problem. Discourtesy leads to fight, anger, and hatred. It breaks relationship and spreads negativity. People feel hurt and unimportant when they are treated badly. Rudeness can destroy friendship and even families can fall apart because of lack of respect. Rudeness is a weak man's way to feel strong. Being courteous is not difficult. Anyone can do it. Use polite words like please, sorry, thank you, and excuse me. Speak in a soft tone, listen to others, don't interrupt while someone is speaking, help those who needs help. Respect everyone, young or older, rich or poor, be kind even if others are not. Smile often, avoid using harsh or any angry words, treat others the way you want to be treated. Do to the others what you want them to do to you. In conclusion, courtesy is small but powerful thing. It improves our character, helps build a better world. Being polite makes our home, schools, and society more peaceful. A courteous person spreads happiness and love wherever they go. We should all try to be kind, gentle, and respectful in our words and actions. Let's be the reason someone smiles today. A little courtesy makes a big difference.